Mama, one day our lives will change.
Keep your heart pure, my daughter. God sees everything.
She's beautiful. What's her name?
Rashidat, after my mother. Young lady, what is your name?
My name is Amina, Your Highness. Would you care for some fruit?
Thank you. A poor girl can never marry a prince.
A person's worth is not measured by wealth.
This necklace belonged to my lost daughter.
My mother gave it to me when I was little.
Today, I crown you my queen.
I will rule with kindness and serve the people.
Amina's journey proved that humanity, courage, and kindness can change destiny.
So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to do that movie and the platform I was able to use to do that movie, okay? Down from the image, the prompt, okay, and the video. So today I'm trying to, take my time to explain, because I see most of you just come to this platform looking for how you can get free and unlimited ways to make your videos, but forgetting that there is logic and process that you need to apply to be able to make long videos like this, okay? So today, please pay attention to details that I'll be sharing on this my tutorial today. When I mean pay attention to details, I don't just mean you just come in and just scroll to see the name of the app and you just run away. I know most of you do that, and it's not going to help you. How would that even help you when you don't just pay attention to details? Because the person teaching you the tutorial might be giving some clues when she is talking on the background, but no, what are you after? Just to sneak in and sneak out of somebody's channel, and it's not going to help you, my darling. So today, when I say pay attention to process, I'm going to be showing you how you can make long videos up to 30 to 40, in fact, so like an hour. I'm telling you how you'll be able to make like an hour videos like that, okay? New YouTubers, okay, that want to start their channel based on African folktales and all that. That is not an African folktale movie, mind you. That's a Nigerian village epic movie, okay, which is AI generated, okay? So I'm just saying you can also use this process to create so many things, especially this platform that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. And again, this platform gives you access to be able to create videos every day, okay? There is no app that will be that unlimited. The main thing is to apply logic, wisdom, and be creative. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how you'll be able to do that, with this particular platform, okay? And again, there's a good thing about this platform, okay? When you refer someone to this platform, you'll be getting 300 coin, okay? And I will be getting 300 coin. You get a 300 coin and I will get 300 coin, okay? So I'll be dropping my referral code on the description box, okay, for those that care to use it, okay? So you too can be getting free coin whenever you log in to use the app. And mind you, every day too, they still give you free coin to use to generate AI movies, okay? So mind you, don't forget to subscribe to this my channel. Why do I say you should subscribe? Most of you will just come to peep and run. One day I might post something that interests you, something that you've been looking for, okay, that you're eager to learn about. And those of you that don't subscribe to this my channel, what are you waiting for? Okay, because on this my channel I post only free and accessible updates, okay? So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to be showing you guys the step, the prompt, okay, how to generate your AI images and how to make your videos, okay? Please pay attention to every details that I'm going to be sharing on this my video. When I say pay attention to every details, because I'm going to take my time to explain to you guys how you can create 1 hour to 2 hours videos, okay? So if you don't pay attention to details, how will you be able to get what I'm saying, okay? Most of you don't pay attention to details. That's why you don't even get it. You just come to someone's platform and just waste your time. You pay attention to details because I'm going to be showing you guys the trick you can use and how you can be able to make like 7 to 8 to 9 to 10 videos in a day, okay? So I'm going to be sharing my screen with you guys.
So we are generating our image. I already copied my prompt from ChatGPT. Okay, you can see here it has different sizes and you can see the one I picked. If you don't know how to make your story or make a prompt, you can kindly go back to my videos, okay? I always start with generating stories. It's not a big deal. You can generate your stories with ChatGPT, okay? So our image is loading. You can see I used bing.com to generate my image. You can generate plenty images on this app. Okay, make sure you sign in on this app before you use it. Use Chrome. You get, if you have a Google account, you can log in with your Google account. So this is our result. So let's move forward to the next step. Okay, so the same thing here. Okay, I'm going to be copying my prompt. Minimize back here. Okay, see, pasted it. Then we create can see the image generating. Same thing here. Okay, copy. Paste. So you can see here vertical expression, stylist illustration. Okay, if you want to generate with this, you're going to be creating 4 images. You can see it has different sizes. You can select whichever sizes you want, if it's portrait or landscape, whatever. If you want to go for anyone, you can go, but you see that place they wrote image quality, you see is 1. So I want to go with this vertical expression actually, because I just want 1 image. Okay, but if you feel like you want varieties of images and you want to select, you can select any of those other 2, whether 4 or 2. Okay, so and you select how you want your video to be, if it's in landscape or portrait. Okay, so here you just choose your size. Okay, you can see our image is generating. My darling, you can see our image is ready. So let's go ahead and save it. If you don't know how to save it, just long press it, you will see where to save it. So family, let's move to the next part. We'll copy our prompt, image prompt, paste, create. Okay, let's be patient for the results. Don't forget to log in on this account. This Bing image creator creates plenty images, no limits. They create as plenty as you want. Okay, don't forget long press, or you will see 3 dots on the image. You can press it and save it. We'll do the same thing here. Okay, we copy. So we are moving to the next part. We are going to bring our images to life. So we are starting with scene 1. We are copying both the image and the dialogue. Okay, both the image prompt and the dialogue. I'm going to pick my image. So we'll be using PixVerse AI. Okay, so you can see my image inside the box. So I'm going to paste my prompt. My subscribers already are familiar with this app. Okay, I took my time to explain this particular app. That is why I don't really want to go into it like that. I just feel you guys already know PixVerse AI. I just want to give you guys the trick and how you can be able to do it. I know you guys are surprised that it came out so beautiful. Well, okay, But don't worry, like I always say, comment section is for interaction. Don't forget to log in on the app with your Google. You can see I have just 35 coin there, but it's gonna shock you guys how I'll be able to generate as plenty videos as I wish. I'm gonna use my referral code. You get why? For the scrollers that will not watch my videos, my talking videos, I will scroll to see the app that I use. Let me just tell you, when you use my referral code, you'll be getting 100 free coin, and I myself will still get 100 free coin. If you refer someone to this app, the person will get 100 free coin, and you yourself will be getting 100 free coin, plus the coin they are going to be giving you every single day. Okay, you can see our scene 1
Mama, one day our
video.
lives will change.
What is your name?
My darling, that's the same thing you do for scene 2. You insert your prompts, your video is gonna generate.
Can never marry.
So the trick here is that if you have 2 or 3 Gmails, you can still log in to the app and they will still give you free credit on those Gmails, and you can still keep creating, just like we were tricking group.
This necklace
then.
belonged to my lost
that's
daughter.
the trick.
My mother gave it to me
So
when I was
my
little.
darlings, if you want to know how I did it, no watermark. I already told you the trick. That's why I always say, calm down and listen to every details on the movie. You can always log in with different accounts to access the app. Okay.
Welcome back, guys. Okay, you can see it wasn't difficult. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, so whenever I post any free updates, you'll be the first to get it, family. Okay, love you guys, have a blessed day.